how how to add bookmark in Chrome. How to add bookmark in Chrome browser. First, open any Chrome browser and use your window keyboard. How to add bookmark in Chrome browser. How to add bookmark in Chrome browser. First, open any Chrome browser and go to browser, then go to that dot options. When you click on it, here you can see the option bookmark and list. Just click on it and now scroll down and then again click on it bookmark manager. When you click on it, your bookmark will be open, and if you want to use your keyboard, then just press Ctrl plus Shift plus O. When you press, your bookmark will be open. Now again go to these three dot option. When you click on it, here you can see two options: add new bookmark and add new folder. If you want to create bookmark, then just click on first option. When you click, here you have to put name which bookmark you are adding, and then paste the URL of that bookmark. I am adding YouTube. I have pasted the link of YouTube. Then click on save. When you click on save, as you can see, YouTube bookmark has been added in my Chrome browser. This is a tutorial how we can add bookmark in Chrome browser.